In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a data series with the mouse and also how to move a data series with the mouse. So in one we're going to copy and one we're going to move. So to begin with, I've got O2 customer houses open. That's my file. I'm going to select range. So remember, a range is more than one cell. So I'm going to select the range A12, all the way down to A22. And I'm going to hold down the control key and I'm going to move to the edge, to the right hand edge of my data series, or my data, the range that I selected. And if you notice, if I pick up on the control key, so I'm not pressing it anymore, let me select that again. If I hover over to the right hand side of my range, you have a four-head arrow. That means you want to click and move it, but instead we're going to copy it. So we're going to push the control key like we had before. We're simply going to move it over into H. And that copied it. We have a copy here and we have a copy here. The next thing we're going to do is to move a data series. So we're going to select E12 to E22. So our price column. So we're going to go E12 to E22. Now if we go to the edge of the border, like I was showing you, you have a four-headed arrow. And all you're going to do is click and drag it, and you're going to put it over into I12 to I22, so next to our names. And then we're also going to take A1. Let's just take A1, move it to H12. And it gives you, you're putting it somewhere where there's already data in a cell. So it's going to give you a caution message. It says there's already data here. Do you want to replace it? And we're going to hit cancel because we do not want to overwrite what is in that cell already. Hit cancel. So we're going to leave that there. And instead, let's move it to H11, the one above where we were going, so that we have customers there. We're also going to take price, move it there. And you notice that our numbers turn into a bunch of pound signs, which you might call a hashtag. The reason that, what this means in Excel is that the column is not wide enough to display the numbers. So all we have to do is widen out the column. That's all it means. Is we're not going to show you the number until you widen it out. So remember, we go up here between our columns. You can click and drag, or you can double click. Double clicking will auto fit the column to the widest number and the widest text. You can do the same thing to H because you don't have enough room to see the customer names. And that will widen it out. And so that's how you either copy or move data.